Okay, you're on.
Oh, so sorry we're a little bit late this morning. It's been a morning. You would think it's a Monday. All right, we are working on our Australia kit. So you should be working on our koala. That is our last thing for our Australia kit. You should have all kinds of goodies in front of you. After you empty your bag, you're gonna need your glue. We do have some koala facts, so we're gonna glue those to our sides, okay? So, you are going to want to lay your paper out, okay? It was folded like this. We're gonna lay it out. We are going to take our brown cutout, looks like a tree, and we're gonna glue that onto the middle, okay? So, flip mine over. Either way, give it some color, glue. And then we are going to flip it on over, just like that. All right. Blake with us this morning. He's been with us all week.
Not
Probably
yet.
because I was late. Sorry, Blake.
Not yet. It is a rainy day too, so people don't generally want to move.
Blake, and I saw Jack was starting back on his boxes.
Oh, good.
Hi, Jack, and Molly, and Wyatt, and Naomi, and who else?
Wyatt's mom came yesterday and got his box.
Oh, okay, good. All right, so once you have the brown cutout on, then we can glue the leaves on, okay? If you look, you should have some bigger, some smaller, some might be the exact same size. You're gonna glue those all over the brown leaves, okay? The brown is just giving us a guide of where to put them. All right.
It'd be funny walking down the street in Australia and like look up and there's a bear in the tree. A koala bear.
That would be crazy. So just like our kangaroo and the baby is a joey, a baby koala is also called a joey. They are marsupials as well because they have pouches. Did you know that?
I did not until I did this with the kids the other day and we read the stuff. And I found a thing on YouTube, a
Always
little
learning.
kids National Geographic, like 3-minute clip on koala bears.
Yep. It's always good to watch. I love watching all those nature ones.
I didn't realize even how big the kangaroo's pouch was.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah. Those poor moms.
And even though we say koala bears, they are not bears. They are not bears. I guess they kind of look like them.
Yeah.
So I think that's why they... Yeah. You cannot have a koala or a kangaroo as a pet.
Dang
that's
it.
for sure. And the leaves that we're gluing on are eucalyptus. They live to eat these things. That's most of their diet is these eucalyptus leaves. All right. All right, once you have all of that on, then you should be able to glue our
Flip it
black
the other way.
koala.
I just saw his tail.
Yeah.
Some of the kids did it like
So
that,
you
though.
can match it up with the outline. See, this is what Miss Stacy was talking about. So you can match it up and put it on just like that. Okay, that's gonna give our koala the two-tone that we are looking for because they are black and gray. And bam, just like that. And then our gray is gonna go right on top. How cute. So, trick so you don't get confused, lay it on, match it up, flip it over to glue it. That way when you flip it back, it should fit. Okay? And then we have our facts. They are gonna go on each side so that you can either read them or have your parents read them to you or your sister. If your sister's in school, your brother's in school, and they have to do some reading practice, this is something that they can read to you.
Koalas have fingerprints.
They do, just like humans. Yep. They're really cool. You can Google that and see their fingerprints. It's really neat.
Yeah, I think I will.
Yep, they can live up to 20 years.
Look how much they get to sleep.
I know, they sleep a lot.
I want to be a koala bear.
Amazing. Sounds amazing. Yep, the eucalyptus is usually poisonous to most animals, but their digestive enzymes tear it down and break it up. So that is our cute koala.
One of your leaves fell. It's okay. He's eating it.
That's good. I didn't do a very good job of gluing this morning. We were a little late this morning.
You're not using a whole tube. Most kids do. They roll it up the whole way and then use it.
Yep. We were a little delayed this morning. All right. There you go. There's our koala. So now you have your koala, your Great Barrier Reef. You have your kangaroo. You have your Sydney Opera House. We have just had a blast in Australia.
Yeah, lots of animals.
Yep. You filled in your passports. So much fun for our first week. I had fun. Did you have fun?
I did. I like all the animals.
Good. All right. Ready. Are you ready?
No. Yes.
China starts on Monday. You've already bought them. You're picking them up. They've been shipped. What goes on sale next? What is our third country? We are headed to Egypt. Okay, bear with me. My display is not as as before. Still packed of activities. I still have to add a couple more things. But it's been a week.
No, it's cute.
So,
it's very informative for them.
So we're going to make
That's neat.
necklace.
Aw, that's neat.
Fitting me well?
Yes.
We're going to work on some pyramid skills. Of course, you're going to get your stamps. We have an Egyptian scene. We'll be doing some camels. We have some fun mazes. Got a little treat for you. We will be working on the letter E. So, yeah, we're off to Egypt. I cannot wait. All right, you guys, have a fantastic rainy day. It's been raining all week.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to rain all weekend. So,
Yeah.
All right, I will see you on Monday morning. We will start China. Don't forget to get your orders in for Egypt today. Again, it's going on. Crate Joy has a 6-month subscription. Grab yours today. All right, you guys. Bye.